Alright guys, hope you're having a good week. We are in central Portugal. I don't know what Christina is doing over there. What are you doing?
Checking out flowers.
Of course. Checking the flowers, which is well worth doing because there are some beautiful specimens up here, especially this time of year.
Video bomb!
What are we doing today?
We are off-roading. It's Sunday.
Spin this camera around and show you the track ahead. It's pretty spectacular. Oh, the snow is still looking at me.
Nice one.
So it winds all the way down here and all across the hills there.
You know what you need? Like here, you know what it was like the racetrack cars.
Yeah, well, that's not happening today. Although we thought it was a bit like Rally earlier with Christina was doing the sat nav and telling me the degrees roughly of each corner on the road as we come up these wiggly mountain roads.
I was like 40 degrees angle to the right, 90 degrees, then bowl neck, 180, spins up, very sharp.
Pretty helpful, to be honest.
Somebody got really excited to make that shot. I swear I felt like the dust flying over my face. You got a little bit excited there, did you? For that shot?
I did.
I swear I had like a kilo of dust flying in my face.
Max's tyres give me too much confidence on the gravel.
Oh, I see. I see. So good with all that yellow and a blue and a blue. Wow. Whoa, that's so cool. So cool. The world came to stop, as we all know, and everyone was affected in their own way. And I find that now 2023 is the year when actually life has returned kind of back to almost its own normal, with lessons learned.
So we were saying it kind of feels like those good old days.
Yeah. Well, like last year it did
for
not.
Us,
for us, yeah, definitely. So it feels like
out here exploring.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Probably go down with four-wheel drive there.
I'm in two-wheel drive.
Still in two-wheel drive. Yeah.
Come on, Didi.
Yeah. Just a bit scrabbly.
Scrabble. See you in the mirror. Still climbing. Made it to the top. Whoop. Nice, look at the view.
Spectacular.
Wow. That's so good. Like, that is my favourite kind of view, which is, for me, why Portugal does it. Eucalyptus, you get a sandy track, well, rocky track, and then you got blue hills in a distance. wish I could just like teleport.
We interrupt this program to showcase this video's sponsor, the Viofo Dash Cam. It records up to 2K at 30 frames per second, front and rear cameras, built-in Wi-Fi and voice notification. It even boasts a G sensor and shock notification, meaning it can detect an accident without any driver input. Our favourite feature though is now that we can actually see where we're going when we're reversing. No more crashing into bollards, trees, or unsuspecting Christina's waving her hands like a crazy person. See the link in description to find out more.
The smell of eucalyptus through this video right now, I can't, but it smells so good. And I mean, in the whole world, like I've been trying all sorts of essential oils, eucalyptus, I can't get this smell right. It's just, you just have to experience it if you haven't. Right, I think I'm on filming duty. I spy with my little chubby eye. Water.
It's quite full as well.
Oh, looks good. I definitely want to go swimming. It's 25 degrees, by the way.
Yeah, I'm sure the water's not 25 degrees, but
No, but-
I'll watch you first.
Well, always. Look, all that's all water. Water there, water over there, water everywhere. Woo-hoo.
Super cold, right?
Yep.
Huh?
Fresh. Well, it's not that bad, Mr. Shepherd. Are you gonna stop just?
Oh.
You gotta commit. Forward. Good for your heart.
So I'm going to get this awning out. Everyone wants the 270, got 180, understandable. It's all self-supporting, you can get it all out. But these often get overlooked because I think they're actually really good for even if it's a budget build or a lightweight build, because obviously they're much lighter, they are much cheaper, and it's actually not that bad to get out. Like, I'm going to do it myself, so Christine's not even going to help me this time, just to show you sort of how long it takes and what's involved.
I want to see if he suffers.
So, that's probably easiest way to do it, but I don't know what that is, so I'm just going to do it how I think is the easiest way to do it, which is, yeah, pop these out. Ooh, don't hit the
Yeah,
plate
thank
after
you.
filming.
Remember who's feeding you today?
These out. And the heel. Grab the other one.
Okay, he's doing it.
Out.
He's doing it.
Admittedly, it's not as easy as a 180 or 270.
Well, it's very light as
It's
well.
not all that bad.
currently looks like he's being swallowed by the awning, but he is definitely proving a point that he's doing it by himself.
A much easier way to do it as well. As I'm sure many of you will be screaming away in the comments.
People love doing that, don't they? It's like suddenly like, oh no, this is absolutely terrible. Health and safety hazard.
Didn't look very glamorous, did it?
I enjoyed it.
There we have it.
That's it.
Can you straighten out a bit more?
Yeah.
What? 1 minute 20? 1 minute 10?
I'm going to be one of those people who probably want to leave a comment. What if next time I'm going to try to start with the sides?
So, if you do, I suppose if you could put those out before you rolled it up, right?
And then technically...
That'd be so much easier. Why not do that?
Right, next time I'll give it a go. But look,
Let's have some snaps.
but anyway, have a look at that. I mean, it's just so easy to set it up, and it's even easier to put it back down. And it's certainly, you have a lot of space. And like Jack said, it's really lightweight. And another cool feature what we have, that just zips in, LED light strip. We have placed it the other way around because then it gives a nice settle light rather than super bright light shining this way, which is really cool.
This kind of reflects off there, doesn't it, and gives a nice sort of ambient light. But you can have it the other way and have super bright with your cooking and stuff out here. Then really better. It's got dimmer, which is nice.
And it fits inside there, so nice and snug. So
why not consider these on, especially on a build like this, so we want to keep, you know, it's a tourer at heart, so you want to be as lightweight as possible, minimalistic, I suppose you could say. How was the brie? Smell it.
I don't want to.
Smell it.
I don't want to.
Do it.
It stinks.
I've already smelled it, so I know how bad it is.
It's disgusting.
Good job we got some new cheese.
Goat cheese, yes. I don't think I can possibly ever recover from that smell.
Yeah.
That thing you can't unsmell.
We do need to tidy this drawer.
We do, but technically it
Everything
works.
just works though.
Everything just works.
Tacked in.
We put a box in the middle. Here is like all teas and nuts and
What?
spices. Spices here.
Yeah,
And then-
what's in there?
And then you got cups and pans and onions but it just works.
These drawers are mega deep.
They're massive.
I can't even see the
I've
back of
never
it.
run
It
out
goes
of
even
space.
further. Somewhere down there. Oh, you can see.
Yeah. And we have two upgrades in comparison to previous setups. It's obviously the size and the drawers. And I thought like, well, do we need more size, like bigger size? Yes, we do. And the fridge. Oh my god, like that fridge, the size of the fridge. We haven't actually managed to run out of space so far. We've shopped now for solid 4 to 6 days.
Yeah, that's so much better, isn't it?
Just there's enough space for
Stuck up a lid or like
and remains
once
go
every
in
5
there.
days.
Where before we always had a bag of food or 2 bags of food, like somewhere scattered
We're
around.
finding the storage on this setup way easier. So much more storage space.
Yeah.
Even without a canopy, there's like so much space on the side, on the wings, either side of the drawer, above it, everything. And then obviously you got the back seats as well.
By the way, this is Mayo running
Which is
out,
a
not me.
total mess, so ignore that, all our bedding is there and stuff. We've got on the roof tent we've actually got a mattress cover, which is quite thick. So that stays in there. And we remove the duvets and the pillows. Sheet and mattress cover stays in. Pillows and duvets go in here. But yeah, so much storage space in here. Power box, power station down there, fridge there, all our clothes and stuff, and towels and everything else is underneath all the bedding. And then our dual zone fridge freezer, which is actually the smallest in this range. Dual zone. Got it both on fridge at the moment, but sometimes we switch one to freeze, which is awesome. Yeah, like I said, that's the smallest, so you can get, I think that's a 35, you can get a 45 and a 55, something like that.
Thank you, one. It's a big dam. Say it. It is massive, absolutely massive.
We got swimming in there.
Yeah, we were earlier over there, somewhere over there. Wow. I don't know if you can see it.
What a valley.
Yeah. So here's a joke. I'm gonna demonstrate how to do it properly.
This is going to make me look so bad, right?
Hoping that I can do it.
Or me secretly hoping it goes wrong.
Well, you definitely hope it's gonna go wrong. Well, I have a feeling what you need to do.
This is what I was regretting not doing now. Yeah, making excuses.
I feel like you have to do this. If you're on your own.
It's going well so far. Will the good luck continue?
Pardon?
Will the good luck continue?
I also don't think you need to go all the way back.
You're definitely looking a lot more glamorous than I was earlier.
Okay. Well, now,
So far.
now I don't know what to do. Now, actually, I'm stuck.
I'm going to have to help you now, aren't I?
Yeah, I think so.
This is a fail. So I was right. I would say it.
Okay, I tried.
I'm going to have to put the camera down now. See you guys. Okay, it's up. You failed, but we still think that would be the answer to the quickest, most efficient way.
What I did.
So I'll try it next time.
Okay, you try next time. But what I did when I pulled the pole, I kept like pulling and pulling until it actually just came out. And then I was like, what do I do now? I got 2 items in both hands, and so yeah, we'll try again. So
I'm still the winner.
bear with us.
Yay.
2 people saying that. We have arrived, and I honestly feel like it's probably one of the cutest campsites, I guess, we have ever stayed. They grow their own wine. They also have on site a very cute restaurant where currently, as you can hear, there's live music playing, and yeah, all of this is €10 per night. They also have indoor and outdoor swimming pool. I mean,
Which look very nice.
you can't get any better than that. Using a shortcut.
Loving the life.
Very much so.
On the terrace, drinking, live music.